Welcome back. CCP Employees Union has demanded immediate transfer of Commissioner Sanjeet Rodriguez. Union accused Sanjeet of behaving arrogantly to the delegation of workers. They have asked for replacement of Sanjeet by officers like Sanjeev Gadkar or Elvis Gomes as the commissioner for the CCP. Union's meeting with the CCP ended inconclusive.
While the CCP workers' strike enters second week, garbage menace still haunts the capital city. Union with a delegation of workers met the CCP commissioner, mayor and councillors on Tuesday.
त्या स्ट्रायकार असताना जो पगार आसा आणि जी लीव आसा त्याचा प्रश्न असलो फाल्यां सकाळी जे परमनंट वर्कर्स आसा त्यांची लीव आणि जे डेली वेजीस आसा त्यांची वेजीस त्या दिसांच्यो त्यो आमी तांकां मेळच्यो असो जेन्ना प्रश्न केला तेन्ना संजीत रॉड्रिग्ज झप करून उठले ते उलोवनाका पावला ते आपल्या उलोवपाचें ना असो तोंड वांकडे केलें आनी उठलो आनी गेलो थंयच्यातलो आणि हे ताणें सेम थिंग ताणें आमी जेन्ना फर्स्ट मिटिंगेक गेल्ली तशेंच केल्लें उठोन सोमतो गेलो मेयरूय उठून गेलो आणि आमीच थंय बसले आनी सगळे कावन्सील आनी आमीच आसा उरली थंय आणि ते म्हणपाले हे तुमचें आपल्या कोता येवपाना म्हणपालो दिस इज नॉट द वे म्हणपालो आणि असो म्हणजे एरोगन्सी सामकी दी आसता पळय एक तो ताणें प्रकार आमकां थंय दिसलो.
They have demanded transfer of Sanjeet Rodriguez.
त्या संजीत रॉड्रिग्साची आज सगळ्यांनी म्हणजे मोठ्या व्हडा एका आवाजान आमचे डिसिजन जाल्ले आसा की ह्या संजीत रॉड्रिग्साची बेगीतल्या बेगीन ट्रान्सफर जावची हे सगळे आमच्या युनियनाचे पहिलो डिमांड म्हणटा तो आता फर्स्ट डिमांड आमचो आसा.
CCP has already decided to terminate the daily wage workers for the strike, claiming it illegal. The union has now planned a jail bharro as the administration is not responding to their demands. Devendra Gaukar for Prudent.
Christmas is around the corner, just a day to go. Youth is celebrating the fun and joy of the season across the places in the state. May it be the Christmas tree, stars, balls or crib, all is set to shine on 25th December. At several places, serenades and street plays are being organized by youth to spread the message of peace and joy this Christmas. Have a look.
So Christmas is about the Holy Family, Joseph, Mother Mary and baby Jesus as well. You're supposed to celebrate it as a family with the family. That is the essence of Christmas and that is what brings us joy.
Lightning too is an integral part of the season. Variety of colors seen glowing along the streets and in houses. Sarauli youth have beautifully lit the Christmas ball, marking the season with bright colors.
Dancing all night long. Time for presents and exchanging kisses. Time for singing the Christmas song. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year 2023.
Reporter Savio Dice for Prudent.
Government is gearing up to strengthen security aspects in the state, with Christmas, New Year and electronic music and dance festivals happening in the last week of December. Police held a surprise inspection at Panji on Tuesday. Aircraft of Indian Coast Guard has also been roped in for security reasons.
On Tuesday, Goa Police with Bomb Disposal Squad gave a surprise visit and inspected different joints and shops at KTC bus stand. Police have requested the shopkeepers not to allow any suspicious objects to be stationed at the shops.
General checking in view of the tourist season and in view of the various threats we are receiving.
Also, a aircraft has been roped in for security reason during the peak period of season in the state. The aircraft of Indian Coast Guard has arrived from Mangalore for 7 days.
हे वेसल जे आसा 100 म्हाका दिसता 50 स्पीडीन नॉर्थ गोवा टू साउथ गोवा एका वरान पावंक शकता. खंयलोय जर रेस्क्यू जालो जाल्यार तांकां मदत करूंक शकता की गोंया खातीर असलें एक वेसल जे आहा तें वेसल गोंयांत ठेवचें.
Devendra Gaukar and Chetan Gavas for Prudent.
And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.